Okay, in this episode of Tips and Tricks, we're going to talk about the companion app and the new throw function for URLs. So first, let's go ahead and log into our ViewBoard. Once we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and head out to the ViewSonic website. Now, at the bottom, I want to throw this to my board. I don't want to type it out in the browser. So you'll see a square with an up arrow. That is your share button in iOS. Tap on that. And we're going to move over to the companion app. I'm going to click that, and now we're going to type in the host name. Now, I've already typed in my host name that I want to throw this to. I'm going to hit the paper airplane. I've thrown it. Now I have a notification in my bell icon. I'm going to tap, drag the URL out onto the desktop, and now we have thrown a URL from our iOS, could be from an Android device or an iPad, to our ViewBoard, and we can share that with our students.